Here's how to view your Roblox inventory on your phone to easily find all of your hats, accessories, gear, or other items. First, you need to go ahead and open your Roblox application on your mobile device, then log into your account, then after go to your profile. Or you can tap on this three line in the top left corner of your screen and then tap on your name to go to your profile. As soon as your profile appears, and access your inventory from there, or you can tap on this three lines in the top left corner and then go to inventory, which is below the continue playing option. In your inventory section, you'll see all of your items such as hats, gear, clothing, accessories, or anything that you have purchased or claimed on Roblox. You can also choose to sort and use items and tap on an item to put it on your avatar. Also, don't forget to keep your Roblox app updated, and if you don't see your items, try restarting the app. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.